In this video, I will show you how to clear website specific setting in Safari on your Mac. So for that, simply open up Safari. Now simply hover your cursor over the top of the screen. Here you can see this toolbar. Simply click on Safari. Here you can see settings. Click on it. After you click on it, this pop-up window will appear. Here simply go to this privacy tab. Here you will find website data and manage website data. Simply click on manage website data. After that you will find various sites here. You can simply click on remove all, or you can simply click and drag to select the few websites. Then click on remove. After that these settings will be cleared. Once you're done, simply click on done, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.